Finally got to the lot and it started raining. Awesome day. I think the forecast said 80 is sunny, but definitely not 80 and obviously not sunny. What's up, everybody? This is gonna be my second vlog so far, and just trying to improve from my last one because I hang out with some weird people, man. It's probably mostly Steven, Greg and Steven, man. They make me talk weird sometimes, and it like rubs off on a video. So I don't know. I'll try to speak normal from now on and see how that goes. Today we're meeting up with some people at the stunt lot. We're gonna go do some wheelies there, try to get better. They liked it. That's cool. See if I can make this turn. There's like a dead animal there. It's starting to rain already. Just got to the lot. Perfect time for it to start raining. I'm gonna try some wheelies in the rain on the 50. Oh no. Alright. I'm gonna try to pull my legs through the handlebars in second gear. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. Alright, we're still going. I'm out of breath already. I'm probably breathing really heavy. Oh. It's raining. It's getting me all dirty. Damn it. We can go into the homeless camp. See if anybody's in there. There's some people living in here. It's open. You can go to the bathroom in there. Oh, great. Yeah, 85 and sunny. What's up, my dudes? probably gonna end the vlog here, guys. Be sure to let me know what you guys thought of this video, if it was better than the last one or what was going on. Just so like and subscribe as always, and until next time, man. Later.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never